Namaskaram everyone, my name is Lekha and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm back with yet another challenge to torture myself. I was browsing through YouTube and I found a channel named as Eat Book Singapore, and I saw this challenge called having 72 things in 72 hours. Very interesting. So since the start of the lockdown, my appetite has just vanished in the air. I skip my meals. I usually don't do that. I used to do that, but then I developed like a very nice routine of having food on time. But then I came back over here at home and I started skipping my meals again, and I just don't feel hungry most of the time at home. That is very sad, okay? I love food, and I thought this challenge would be the perfect way to eat a lot of food, nice and tasty food, and all the junk food. So I'm just going to show you how my journey is going to be, and I hope you enjoy it. And trust me, I am going to let you know this is going to be a very long video. So to know if I completed the challenge or not, you have to wait till the end, okay? So here it goes. ഞാനില്ലേ അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ 72 hours 72 സാധനം കഴിക്കാനുള്ള പ്ലാൻ ഉണ്ട്. എങ്ങനെ ഹൗ ഇസ് ദി ഐഡിയ? അതെന്താ മോശമല്ലാത്തൊന്നും പറയാവോ?
അത് നിന്നെ കൊണ്ട് പറ്റുമല്ല. കാര്യം നീ ഉറങ്ങി കഴിഞ്ഞു തൊട്ടാ നിനക്ക് ഇത് കഴിക്കാൻ.
അപ്പൊ അല്ല, ഞാൻ 72
നീ ഉണർന്ന് കഴിക്കും 1 മണിക്കൂർ.
അങ്ങനല്ല, അപ്പൊ 1 മണിക്കൂറിൽ എനിക്ക് 2-3 സാധനങ്ങൾ കഴിക്കാലോ.
ആവശ്യമുള്ളൂ, നീ നടക്കുന്ന കാര്യം.
അപ്പൊ ഇപ്പൊ തൊട്ട് ഞാൻ തുടങ്ങാൻ പോവാ.
നടക്കുന്ന കാര്യമല്ല നീ പറ.
Good morning everyone. So today's day 1. It's 9 o'clock. I woke up earlier than this, but then I was busy playing Google's Google Pay's Go India game, because today was my city's game and I was busy playing the quiz and everything. So I will get freshened up now and I'll have my breakfast, and hopefully I can complete my challenge. As you have already heard my mother saying how fairly I'll be doing the challenge. So let's hope I do it well. Bye. First thing I'm having is a sad looking apple, but it's an apple. That's a great thing, right? So here I go. So the second thing on the list is here, chaya. I will have chai now. So I was very busy with editing my YouTube video today. I had to upload it and I do everything in the last minute. So I didn't eat anything since my last meal. That's not considered a meal, whatever. Okay, so it's around 2:30 and yeah, it's very late. I'll have my lunch in some time. Till then, I'm going to have 1 orange, and that's item number 3. So I have to finish. I'll show my lunch to you. Okay, bye. So this is my very simple meal. I have rice. I have soya chunks, baby soya chunks. I don't know. Some bhaji, and I have some curry made by my mother out of lady finger. Oh yeah, okra curry. Yeah. So it's ticking off 3 things from my list, which I am happy about. Okay, it's been so long that I have been awake since morning and I haven't had single drop of water. I am like, I don't know how will I survive life. I don't know. The only reason why I don't film videos during daytime is because of all the disturbance that you can hear. So I'm gonna have water now, which will take up my count to 7. I'm going to have my first drop of water, gulp of water, and the count will be 7. Okay, bye. Hello everyone, it's around 5 o'clock and now I am having some peanuts, groundnuts, and that will take my count to 8. I thought easily I'll have 20-25 food items, but then sad life and the disturbance, oh my god, it's so irritating. Okay then, bye. I remember I have rasgulla, one rasgulla left. I can have that, and I have a chocolate as well, small piece of chocolate. I'll have that. Great. Okay then, I'll be back with the things that I find in my home. The two things that I'm having right now is one, a piece of chocolate. It's Dairy Milk's new variant of dark chocolate, which has caramel bits in it, salted caramel bits. And the second thing is one rasgulla that was left. And I'm going to eat both of this and increase my count, hopefully. And I would need to like find something to eat because I'm very hungry. Okay then, bye. Okay, I found one more thing. Ignore the sound quality. I have switched on the fan because it's very hot. So, you get those waffy biscuits, wafer biscuits. I found one packet of it. I can open it and finish it gladly. So, one more to the list. So I have to eat what is there at home, and there's rice and there's omelette and there is the okra curry that I had in the afternoon. Rice I already had, so I'm thinking I would skip rice and I'll have the omelette which is being made. It's like omelette, yeah, whatever. It's being made. It's half a omelette. Also, I'll be having muskmelon. My mother was kind enough to buy muskmelon today, so I'll be having muskmelon as well. So here is the food that I'm going to have, and maybe I'll have a hot chocolate at night, and let's see what else is there. And maybe I'll just wrap it for today and have more food tomorrow. There's half an omelette and there's muskmelon. I'm not going to have the entire thing. I'm just going to have like 1 or 2 pieces and half an omelette. That's my dinner, which is not at all healthy, but it's something. I'm having the last drink of the day. It's hot chocolate. Okay, bye.
Day 2.
So today's one of the days when I don't feel like doing anything. I was just laying on my sofa doing nothing after I woke up, and it's very late and I don't have a proper breakfast as usual. I am having a ready-made coffee. I'll link down the company from which I'm having coffee right now, and then a piece of guava which has pink insides, and some masala chana, yeah, and maybe Maggie if I feel like. Let's see. This is me after falling prey to my nap time. I just counted and I have fully completed around 16 to 17 things. And it's been more than 24 hours. I have to complete 72 things. What am I doing? And by this time you must have already known that my eating habits and water drinking habits are so bad. Guess what? I'm going to get freshened up and I am going to eat something because I woke up hungry. So I'll eat something, or I'll make Maggie right now because I don't feel like having lunch right now itself because I woke up. I don't even feel like having Maggie, but I'll have Maggie right now. Maybe some desi cheesy Maggie something. Yeah, that seems nice. And then after half an hour something, I'll have lunch. I'll be showing you my Maggie and hopefully in a better time. Start to the unhealthy meal of mine. I'm going to have the desi cheese Maggie, and yeah, I'll let you know what else I have. I'm so tired of keeping count. I'm not going to keep count. I'm just going to pop up somewhere over here. The next thing I'm going to have is one banana because I didn't have bananas last night, and that sounds very wrong. But then I'm going to have banana. Wait. So I had bhel. I made bhel and I had bhel.
So I went to my best friend's house. She was kind enough to give me all these things. So this is coconut chicky, curry jelly and mango jelly. She also gave me aam papad. Yay!
है ना 72 आवर्स में 72 चीज़ें खाने का अटेम्प्ट कर रही हूँ. मेरी माँ भी यही पूछे, वैसा नहीं मतलब सोऊंगी भी 1 घंटे में 4 चीज़ें खा सकती हूँ ना, और सब अलग अलग चीज़ें. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि 4 बार चावल खा लिया, समझा. हाँ तो 72 चीज़ें 24 आवर्स हो गया, मैंने 24 चीज़ अब तक नहीं खाया.
करना क्या चाहते हो वो?
अटेम्प्ट होगा ना, तो अभी बैठ के खाऊंगी ना, मैं बैठ के थोड़ा थोड़ा
क्या अभी कितना सब जो है वो तो पड़ेगा.
नहीं
कितनी अमीर होगी ये तो?
मुझे क्या लगता होगा, नहीं तेरे को लगता होगा
इसको लेके चाहिए तो पहले मैगी.
मैं लेके जाऊंगी.
देख मैगी लेके जाएंगे. इधर अपन अमेरिकन चीज बर्गर खाएंगे.
तू खाएगी?
राइस
हाँ, हाँ.
राइस कोक फिर पेरी पेरी का मसाला, बेस्ट मसाला भी ऐड करेंगे. 4 आइटम करेंगे. फिर उधर से अपन
पैसा तू भरने वाली है.
पैसे
नहीं, क्योंकि तेरा काम है, मैं तो जॉबलेस हूँ ना अभी फिलहाल.
हाँ मैंने भी जॉबलेस है, कुछ मिला नहीं. फिर मैं नॉलेज है फिर चीज़ बस उस बार तेरे ना बहुत सारे आइटम निकल जाएंगे इसमें. चीज़ ब्रेड कैप्सिकम वगैरह वगैरह. उधर हो जाएगा. उसके बाद फिर चाय टपा जाते हैं. फिर मैगी खाएंगे. पान खाना है, मेरे चॉकलेट पान खाना है. चॉकलेट पान में तेरे चॉकलेट निकल जाएगा और पान निकल जाएगा.
हाँ बस अभी बस
उसके बाद
और कुछ नहीं.
कांदा वैसे कैसे बनाते वैसे नहीं.
चाय में चॉकलेट सॉस है. कैसा टेस्ट अपना हर्शीज का सॉस है. क्या था यार? So my best friend's family was very kind enough. She was very kind enough, and I had like a lot of things set okay. You must have already seen the previous clip. It'll be too funny. Yeah. So she gave me 2 more things to have so that I can increase my list. I am so lagging behind, and I don't know if I'll be able to complete it. I hope I'll be able to complete it, and you know tomorrow will be a great day. So right now I'll be having this moong dal packet that she gave me so nicely, and also one fruity, all fruity. Her dad was like very kind enough. He was like, okay fine, go have fruity and all. So I'm strong. So I'm going to have the fruity. I'm not a big fan of fruity, but then for this challenge I'll have anything. Except for Karela, I'll have anything. I'll finish this later on. I'll have. She was like, wait, I'll give you moong dal. What, you want chocolates? I'll give you chocolates or something. No, I don't want anything now. I'll come tomorrow and give me tomorrow everything. Tomorrow I think my mother is going to cook some nice breakfast. So I can have that breakfast, and then thinking to cook something that's not happening. I thought of cooking for today as well. That didn't happen. So I'm having moong dal. Can you see? I'm having moong dal. Remember, my father, my papa, he used to bring moong dal when I was like in junior, senior KG. Bring big packets of moong dal for me. I love moong dal. I'm going to have my dinner as well. I have rice, which I can't count again, but I have fish. I have fish. 2 types of fish. So I can have that. Also, I have this few cashews with the skin on it, so I'm gonna eat these as well. So, counting these 3 into the list. Whoa. Wait, I'll put this aside, and I'll have this, and then I'll switch off, and I'll be back in the next video clip. It's very annoying to clean these individual cashew nuts. I don't know why am I even making these videos. It's like I'm here to embarrass myself. Few years down the line, I'm going to literally love watching these again. So I'm going to have few of those. I'm going to finish something now. I'm also going to finish the fruity and I'll be back with my dinner.
So this is my dinner. I can't count rice, but I have fish curry. And I have chicken curry. Yeah, chicken curry as well. Also, I have fish fry. Here is me enjoying the meal and thinking about all the wrong things that I've done in my life. Such deep thoughts. I don't know why do I do that. I just go into another zone. And why am I telling you all this? I don't know. I lost the audio and now I'm editing the video and I felt like it's empty. Okay.
Day 3.
So day 3 has officially started. I have crossed the 48th hour, 49th hour, and I'm not yet done with 49 things. Okay. So I'm having my breakfast now. It's very late. I don't know how will I complete 72 things. What was I even thinking? Okay. So my mother made idlis for me. She made 2 small dosas as well to help me out. So here am I eating idlis and dosas in chutney. So I'm so desperate that I'm going to count chutney as a different element altogether and add it in my list. And I'll show you what I'm eating. Here it is. Dosa and idli and chutney. 3 elements. Bye. Let me finish this.
This has to be the difficult thing ever. My audios are missing. I don't know what is wrong. So listen to voiceover Lekha. I'm just enjoying my breakfast. Okay, that's it. Nothing else. Okay. Bye. I went to my best friend's house to deliver idlis and I had sevai. Okay.
2,000 years later.
Update. I haven't had my lunch. Great. I need to finish so many things to eat and I haven't had lunch. It's because I had a very late breakfast. I'm cooking since eternity, I feel. I made a small bullseye kind of thingy. I don't know. Should I even term it a bullseye? But I made a bullseye. I am on my preparation to make some more things. I'll give you an update once I'm done with everything and I'll show you. Okay. Bye. So I'm having one small cute bullseye and some fries. And I'll be back with the other food that I prepared. So I did an experiment. I made boba tea. If you don't know about boba tea, go Google it. I tried it for the first time. This is how it looks. It's not clear over here. I'll show something like. So these are the boba pearls. Wait, एक मिला था वो भी. So these are the boba pearls, as you can see. Can you see? I don't know how else to show. Yeah. So I made everything from scratch. Okay, it took me so long to make this. I hope it tastes good. So you're supposed to have it with you can have boba. I made brown sugar boba milk. So you can make boba and then you can have its own toppings, and hopefully I can make more and drink and get done with this. It's nice too. Let me have boba. लीना इधर आ. अलीना इधर आना 1 मिनट. लीना मस्त है ना. ओ यार कैसा है
अच्छा है तो ऑन है क्या वीडियो?
मस्त है ना. Nice, oh my god. I can start a business, dude. Then I still need to perfect the shapes and everything, but the consistency seems good. I've never had boba, so I don't know what to compare it with. This is the first time I'm making it. For one recipe, I can definitely, show. Strong about this. Damn good. Damn. I was very skeptical about this, but this is good. This is good. Okay, bye. Thank you. Oh shit, nice. I tried making a smaller batch of Dalgona coffee as well. So another one in the list.
Later that same evening.
That's fried noodles, Szechuan, that's kajal. That's fried noodles and Szechuan. And there's Tom Yum soup. That is 3 things in the list. I also had 3 variants of ice cream.
Much, much, much later.
Diwali snacks at best friend's place. Thank you, Kajol.
Later.
I tried making honey crispy potato chili. Here it is. Yeah, sad. I also had hot chocolate with boba. I love boba, dude. So tonight I'm having rice, which can't be counted because I already had rice, and I have more. Did I have more before? I don't know. I need to check. And there's a fried chicken, and there's bangan, aubergine. Okay, that's my dinner, guys. Very late because I had a lot of things, and I still need to cover, and I have time till tomorrow morning 10. So wish me luck. Bye.
The next day.
It's little over 8 in the morning. I got like around 2 hours to complete the challenge, technically, and this is my breakfast.
Sorry for the abrupt ending. I basically couldn't complete the challenge. I feel I know where I was lagging behind. I didn't have a proper plan. I didn't make a sorted plan to let everyone know and myself know that Lekha, you should eat this at this time, or you should have at least. I didn't have a goal. I was like, जैसे होगा वैसे खा लूँगी मैं, जो मिलेगा वो खा लूँगी मैं. That was a very wrong approach. 72 things is a very huge number. I thought very easy it would be. आसानी से हो जाएगा, but no. I underestimated myself of how beautifully I can fail, So I failed, and I would love to do this challenge again with all the proper plotting and planning. I would definitely do that. Not now, after a month or so, because maybe after Christmas. Yeah, best time ever. I'll have a lot of cakes and everything. So after Christmas, I'll definitely do this challenge one more time, and I'll definitely win the challenge. I could have had a lot of things, 72 things. The best thing was, what? If you want the recipe, let me know. I will upload the recipe, okay? Also, if you want me to attempt such more different kind of challenges, कमेंट करो ना, या फिर मेरे को डीएम कर दो. मैं तो रेडी है, मेरे को कोई काम धंधा है भी नहीं वैसे, अदर देन माई lectures which are not even happening right now. So until my next video, do take care of yourself and of the surrounding. Happy Diwali. Take care. बोल दिया मैंने, take care. Stay hydrated. Stay blessed. Stop spreading hate, okay? Start spreading love. Until next time, bye.